You need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get inside my phone screen. So guys, what you need to do here is that you have to go to WhatsApp if you are using GB WhatsApp or any kind of WhatsApp uh, from your device. If you are downloaded, if your WhatsApp is downloaded from Chrome browser or any kind of browser, if the WhatsApp is third party like GB WhatsApp, please delete the WhatsApp right now. So guys, after deleting the WhatsApp, what you need to do, you have to go to Play Store on your device, okay, and then here you have to search for WhatsApp and you need to download the official WhatsApp, this WhatsApp, okay, WhatsApp Messenger. So after downloading this, what you need to do to fix this problem, if you trying to log in but you are not able to, but what you need to do is that you have to go to your phone settings, and then here you have to search for your phone reset once, okay, factory reset, reset, backup and reset, okay. So now here what you need to do is that you have to first backup your your data, and after backupping up your data, make sure that you reset your phone once, and uh, after that again you need to log in it. The problem might solve, it is not 100% sure, okay. Now here, if it is not solved, then the next thing what you need to do is that here you have to go to Google, and then here you have to search for WhatsApp, uh, WhatsApp support, okay. After searching for WhatsApp support, what you need to do here, you can see contact WhatsApp, the first one, just click on it, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here, sorry, not here, just go back, and here you can see on the down WhatsApp Messenger support. Just tap here, and then here scroll down, and here you have to enter your phone number, okay, like your number here, official number. After that you just need to scroll down, search, you have to click on Android, and then here you have to write one thing, that is hi WhatsApp. So now here you have to write this, okay, after entering your phone number, the exact phone number which you are trying to log in. You have to write this: hi WhatsApp team, please verify my account and let me use the official WhatsApp account. Now you have to send this, and then you just need to hold on for at least 24 hours. You'll get a reply, and you will be able to use the WhatsApp. So this is the only way, or if it is not working, then what you need to do, you have to at least wait for 1 to 2 months. After that, definitely you are going to use that. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon on the next video.